Markets and prices. Bitcoin's value has been climbing since the recent opening of Cboe's futures markets. The spot price of BTC had dipped a good 3% an hour prior to Cboe's Sunday evening trading sessions, but volume immediately spiked at precisely 6 p.m. ET when the futures trading opened. At the moment, Bitcoin is hovering around the $15,70015,950 range on Bitstamp, and Cboe's Bitcoin futures markets have been going wild. Also read Lightning Network's new infrastructure and interoperability. Bitcoin's price kicked into high gear at the start of Cboe's opening trading sessions lately. Bitcoin markets have been an astonishing observation as the price has been moving at warp speed towards record highs for over a week. Many people believe that Cboe and CME Group's Bitcoin-based futures products have been injecting markets with optimism. The price slumped this past weekend after coming awfully close to the $17,000 territory, reaching a low of $13,000. However, on December 10, Bitcoin's value kicked into high gear during the morning trading sessions, reaching $15,300. Following this, the price had rapid swings ranging from $500,900 and markets were down just before Cboe opened its futures markets. Cboe's January contracts reach a high of $18,280. Cboe's market contract bids started at $15,000, and they expire on January 8. At press time, the firm's Bitcoin futures have surged over 15%, reaching a high of $18,300. So far, a few thousand contracts have been traded on Cboe's derivatives exchange. Further, according to the Wall Street Journal, a spokeswoman from Cboe said trading stopped for 2 minutes due to volatile price swings. If the price moves during a massive swing, the exchange can impose a halt on trading. Additionally, Cboe's website and XBT futures charts suffered from severe traffic, and the site was unavailable for a period of time. Cboe's website states, due to heavy traffic on our website, visitors to www.cboe.com may find that it is performing slower than usual and may at times be temporarily unavailable. Bitcoin markets see massive volume and high energy. Bitcoin's global trade volume is through the roof, averaging over $14.6 billion worth of BTC swaps in the last 24 hours. The Japanese yen is still leading the market share by 42%, but the US dollar has picked up by 29%. The volume, by currency, behind the dollar is the won, Tether USDT and the euro, according to Crypto Compare statistics. Right now, Bithumb is dominating the top 5 exchanges, followed by Bitfinex, DAX, Bitflyer, and Coinon. On December 10, Bitcoin's price comes close to topping the $16,000 range again on Bitstamp. Technical indicators charts show a fairly bullish trend forming after the previous dips during the afternoon and into the early evening. The two short and long-term simple moving averages SMA had crossed earlier in the day, which indicated signs of buyer exhaustion. At the moment, the long-term 200 SMA is above the 100 SMA, indicating another correction could be in the cards at any time. Stochastic and the Relative Strength Index RSI have been showing oversold conditions for quite some time. Even so, Bitcoin's price could easily reach the $17,000 range or more this week after Cboe's first day and before CME Group's introduction. There's heavy resistance above the $17,000 range and even more so above $17,600 region. Order books show thin foundations on the buy side, showing prices could slide back quite easily with very little breaks until $14,000 again. The verdict: overall, the Bitcoiners are still optimistic about the spot market value, as many believe the mainstream enthusiasm is good for Bitcoin. For the moment, trading arena participants agree, as the price is reflecting a favorable upswing that seems to also reflect Cboe's contract predictions. Our scenario is stated above. Order books show fragile buy walls in the backdrop, indicating prices could slip backward easily. Prices could dip back in the $15,300 to $14,800 regions if market optimism became reasonably negative. For now, the only bears making off will be intrarange players and day traders for the time being. Bull scenario: Bitcoin could easily break $1,720,000 in the short term due to market optimism, speculation, and bull market emotion. Markets have been bullish for weeks on end, and the quick dips have been eaten up quite quickly. Bulls should expect a resistance around $16,500, $17,000, $17,600 for short-term strategies. Where do you see the price of Bitcoin heading?